now the next example related to right angle triangle with alphabet symbols, right? Sir, suppose if I can take n is equal to 4, I am taking, sir. N is equal to 4. My required output is A, B, B, C, 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 C. Next D, 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 D. Okay, E, 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 E. Okay, n is equal to 4 only, right? That's why only, sir, up to this. This is my requirement. 4 rows, A, B, B, C, C, C. Something like right angle triangle. Okay, like I want, sir. So what is the way? How you can do that? Sir, how many rows? 4 rows are there. In every row, sir, is the symbols are changing or not? No. Sir, in every row, in that row only B's, in that row only C's, in that row only D's. So nested loop is not required. Okay, well. So I here just observe the code carefully. N is equal to int of input, enter number of rows. For I in range of n, for I in range of n. Sir, now assume n value is 4, n value is the 4, sir. Then I values are 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. Sir, first time I is equal to 0, next time I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3. Like total, sir, 0, 1, 2, 3 is there, sir. Now my target is take a bit very special care about this terminology, right? Sir, I want to print A. A means, do you know 65? B means 66. C means 67. D means 68. You know Unicode values, right? Now, first one I want to print A. Second one B. Third one C. Next time D, sir. Can I use the word? How you can generate 65 in terms of I? Can I use 65 plus I value? 65 plus I value. Sir, now CHR of 65 plus I. So 65 plus 0 means A. 65 plus 1 means B. 65 plus 2 means C. 65 plus 3 means perfect D we are going to get. Next, how many times I have to take this one? I require to take this one. How many times, sir? I plus 1 number of times. So, if it is the 0 1 time, if it is the 1 2 times, if it is the 2 3 times, if it is the 3 4 times we have to take. Are you getting just this analysis compulsory you should aware. Sir, now for I in range of n, what I have to take? Print CHR of 65 plus I. CHR of 65 plus I. Plus a space must be required. Space must be required, sir. Space I am taking into how many times I have to take? I plus 1 times. Can you please take this character? How many times? I plus 1 times. Sir, if I is the 0, now this character will come only once. If I is equal to 1, now this character will come 2 times. Okay? If I can write this code, happily right angle triangle with the alphabet symbols, happily we are going to get, sir. Have a look once. Let me consider here for I in range of n. Okay? Assume n is equal to 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3. Now print CHR of 65 plus I value. 65 plus I value. Sir, that character under then space. Do you know? This total thing we have to take into how many times we require to take, sir? I plus 1 number of times we have to take. Okay? Now have a look once. Sir, observe very carefully, sir. 65 plus I means the corresponding character will come. So space under this character followed by space, how many times we have to take? I plus 1 number of times we have to take, sir. Enter number of rows 3, sir. Then A, B, B, C, C, C we are getting. Next enter number of rows 5, sir. A, B, B, C, 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 D, 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 E, 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 like this we are getting. Enter number of rows, 4 sir, 4. Then happily, do you know, this is the thing. Are you in the position to understand, right? So how to print okay, right angle triangle with this type of alphabet symbols pattern? This is the code what you people should be aware. I'm telling again, better to practice and then go to the next example. Then you will get much clarity, right?